Formality still accounts for over 70% of employment, with many workers lacking access to social security, written contracts, or workplace safety mechanisms. Women continue to face wage gaps, occupational segregation, and barriers to participation in labor unions. Young people, who make up a significant portion of Pakistan's population, face unemployment, limited skills opportunities, and vulnerability in the informal sector. Labor migration, while economically vital, often exposes workers to exploitative conditions and legal vulnerabilities abroad. It is here that social dialogue must become a dynamic and inclusive process, one that not only engages traditional actors, but also reaches out to voices on the margins. Women workers, domestic workers, differently abled workers, rural and agricultural workers, and young professionals all deserve representation in the conversations that shape their livelihoods. Equally, employers need responsive policy frameworks that encourage enterprise growth while upholding workers' rights. Government, for their part, must remain agile, facilitative, and committed to implementation. Ladies and gentlemen, today's deliberations affirm that navigating change in Pakistan, whether driven by the fourth industrial revolution, climate adaptation, or projects like CPEC, requires a united front. Strong industrial relations can make or break national development agendas. And in this regard, the NIRC's leadership in institutionalizing dispute resolution and safeguarding industrial harmony has to be commended. For Pakistan, the road ahead is both challenging yet promising. The youth bulge offers enormous potential for demographic dividends if coupled with quality education, vocational training, and access to decent employment. Digital transformation offers opportunities for new types of work and financial inclusion, but must be accompanied by data protection, worker safeguards, skilling. Industrial growth can drive national prosperity, but only if labor rights are respected and inclusive job creation is prioritized. The ILO remains committed to supporting Pakistan every step of the way. From formalizing informal employment and enabling safe migration to strengthening compliance mechanisms and promoting gender-responsive workplaces. We stand ready to work with government, with employers, and with workers to ensure that no one is left behind. I extend my deepest appreciation to the National Industrial Relations Commission for convening this important platform. I commend the Ministry of Overseas Pakistanis and Human Resource Development for its continued leadership and partnership. To the representatives of workers and employers, I thank you for your active participation, your dedication, and commitment to constructive engagement. The presence of political leadership today across departments is a powerful signal that Pakistan is serious about forging a fairer, more inclusive labour future. In the spirit of Qadir Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah's vision, who once said that labour is the backbone of the nation, let us reaffirm our shared responsibility. Let us continue to build a culture of dialogue, respect, and cooperation. The journey towards equitable industrial relations is not short, but it is essential. And with social dialogue as our compass, we can chart a course towards a more just, a more resilient, and a more prosperous Pakistan. Bahut shukriya. Thank you.